like to introduce you to a new unique product exclusive to Treetops called Seri silk tops. Seri silk is a bombex silk which has a higher than normal sericin content. Sericin is the natural glue that silkworms extrude to hold its own cocoon together. Because these tops contain extra sericin, they can't easily be drafted in the normal fashion, and therefore they behave more like a silk lap or pencil roving. Let me show you. First, cut off a length of tops. You can't easily draft them in the normal manner because of this extra sericin, but you can fan them out sideways. It will give you a cobweb-like effect similar to a silk lap. To do this, take the silk and fan it out thinly across the top of wet wool or pre-felt. You can also lay the silk slightly thicker to create more texture. Experiment to achieve the effect you are after. Next, you can easily split the silk tops lengthwise to create a pencil roving, which is fun to draw and design with. You need a small container of soapy water. Add 1 to 2 mils to 1 liter of warm water of a gentle dish soap like Earth's Choice. pH no more than 9.5. Next, separate off a length vertically from the silk top and dip it in the warm soapy water until it's completely wet. Then squeeze out the extra water between your fingers while flattening the silk. Once the silk is wet, it can easily be split into even skinnier pieces. Redip as needed to smooth and flatten. Be a bit gentle with these smaller strips as they can be pulled apart if pulled on too hard. You can now use your newly created silk pencil roving for designing various linear and organic images. For linear images, simply cut the silk and pat down flat. For more organic images, you can simply draw with the wet silk. Now finish felting your work as you normally would. We hope you enjoy the incredible luster, texture, and imagery that can easily be created with our new exclusive Seri silk tops.